This short video will demonstrate our Snapit application. Snapit makes it simple to take and upload both MVR and part images using an Android device. This video will demonstrate how to use the Snapit app to scan a vehicle or part tag, take the relevant pictures using the application camera or find images captured in the gallery, and automatically upload images to the associated record in Pinnacle. Turn the device horizontally. Then align the QR code or barcode on the tag with the red line that flashes across the screen. Firstly, we will show how to add images already taken on the device to an MVR record. If you know the vehicle's stock code, you may use the keyboard to enter it here. However, it's much easier to simply scan the tag. This stock code appears at the top of the screen. A 9 in front of the code means that this is an MVR record. There are two simple ways to upload images. In this example, we will select Import from Gallery to upload images already stored on the device. Simply select the first image you wish to use from the gallery that appears. To add additional images, select the folder icon. In this example, we will select another image. The selected images are displayed. These will upload as soon as you are on a Wi-Fi connection. Click the home icon to go back to the Snapit home screen. If the device is not connected to Wi-Fi, an error message will display on screen, and the number of images pending upload will display underneath the Upload Manager icon at the top right of the screen. A yellow progress bar will appear at the top of the screen when uploads are in progress. Select the Upload Manager icon to check upload progress at any time. Recently attempted uploads will display on this screen with their upload status. Select the Upload icon to send images if required. These will be added instantly to the MVR record images once the status reads Sent. We will now scan a parts tag and take new images using Snapit. Turn the device horizontally. Then align the QR code or barcode to the red line. Snapit identifies the part number from the tag. In this case, a 2 in front of the code indicates it is a part record. In this example, we will select Take a Picture. Click the camera icon on the device screen to take a picture. When complete, click the back button on the device to return to the home screen. These images will upload to the parts record on Pinnacle as soon as the device is connected to Wi-Fi. You can then manage these images as normal within Pinnacle. In summary, Snapit saves you time, effort and money while simplifying your image strategy. Please contact your local sales team for more information.